Hi everyone, it's Carrie from Garden Rudiments. I know it's been a long time since you've seen me, but I'm out in the greenhouse today trying to get a little work done, and I want to show you a project that I'm working on. I finally have a gutter system put up. Just one, but that's all I need for right now. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. So I have a lot of small plants that I have gathered up. A lot of them are cuttings, some are plants that I've got in from Mountain Crest Gardens, and these are what I'm going to use to put in the gutter. Now, I'm not doing this just to make a gutter. I'm doing this to put extra plants in that I don't have pots for, or I'm not wanting to put in pots. I just want to put them up there and have them for when I'm ready to use them. So some of these are rooted, some of them are just cutting. I've even got a few that still has blooms on them, or they're very, very small that I've propagated from leaves. But I'm going to put all of these in that I can, and I may not be able to talk through the whole video. I may just cut it off here and just let you see what I'm doing. But I'm going to add my potting mix into my gutter system. And this is probably about 6 feet long. This is a piece that we have left over from where we put gutters on our greenhouse. And so yesterday my husband got out here and he got it hung up for me. And we're like y'all, we're staying in because of the coronavirus for COVID-19. I wanted to get out here before it got too hot, but you can see it's already in the 80s, and I've got to talk while my fan is not going because you can't hear anything once that starts. But we are staying isolated. We're all well, not having any problems. My husband's job is considered essential, so he does go to work. And you know me, I just work from home, take care of my daughter. And I've been trying to stay busy with plants and my garden, and I'll show you some scenes from the garden when I'm through. But I've got a lot going on, and I've been very busy out in the greenhouse. But we'll show you that later, and right now we'll continue on with our guttering system.